Hello there. Today I'm going to draw a cute ant, and these are the colors that I will be using. Okay, so I'm going to start out with drawing the head of the ant, and all you have to do is draw a circle. Okay, so now I'm going to draw the other parts of the body. So this is called the thorax. So we'll just draw two oval shapes, just like that. 1, 2. Okay, and the abdomen, we're gonna draw a nice big oval shape with a little point. So around a little point, and we bring it back up like that. Okay. All right, so now we're gonna draw the antenna. So we'll draw 2 lines up and a little circle at the top. We could shade it in, and then the second one. Okay, so ants have 6 legs. So we're gonna draw 1 leg here, so a line down, and a little ball, you can shade it in. The second leg, the third leg, fourth, okay, and the 5th, and the 6th. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 legs. All right, so now we're gonna draw 1 eye. So just a circle here, and we can shade in the little pupil. Okay, and a nice smile. All right, so now let's color our ant. I'm going to go around it with a brown pencil crayon. They come in a variety of colors, black, brown, red. Okay, so I'm going to be using some of those colors. So there's 12,000 ant species worldwide, and they are the longest living insects. They're the strongest creatures. They can carry 50 times its own body weight. And they'll even work together to move bigger objects as a group. They can be found on every single continent except for Antarctica. And they're social insects, which they live in colonies. Okay? All right, I'm going to use red. And I'll blend in the colors together. So they don't have ears, and some don't have eyes. Okay, they communicate by using their antenna right here. Okay, they are omnivores. They eat plants and animals, leaves, fungus, nectar, fruits, vegetables, sugar. Okay, I'm going to use a nice little pale pink here to shade in the cheek. And I'm just going to continue to just go over it with my red. Okay. And I'm also going to shade the eye with a pale pink color. And I'm just gonna go all around my ant. Okay, so there's lots of nice little songs. The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. There's lots of stories about ants. What I'll do is I'm going to turn this into a little ant finger puppet. Okay. And before I do that, I'm just going to go around it with a little bit of gray to keep blending my colors. Okay, my friends, so I cut out the ant and I also cut out a rectangle and I'm going to curl it just like that, okay? And I'm gonna add a piece of tape. Okay, I'm gonna turn the ant around. And you can add the tape here. And we're gonna place our little loop for our finger puppet. Okay, and turn it over. And here we have the ant. And you can move it around and sing some songs or retell some of the children's stories about ants. The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one. The little one stops to suck his thumb, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, my friends, so before I go, I do have a cute little ant joke for you. And it goes like this. Where do old ants go? And I'll give you a few seconds to think about it. The antique store. Okay, my friends, until next time, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.